Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC shortcut key. In this video, I will give you at least 5 shortcut keys for File Explorer without any stress, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first shortcut key I want to give you right here, if you press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard, this will allow you to open a File Explorer. Just like what you see right here, when you press Ctrl plus N, it opens up a File Explorer right here. Then from here, you can navigate to any file that you want to explore from the File Explorer right here on your Windows PC. This is one of the first key I want to show you. Let me give you the second key as far as File Explorer is concerned. Okay, so the second shortcut key for File Explorer, if you press Ctrl plus E, it automatically takes you to search box right here. Press Ctrl plus E, it takes you to search box right here. That is the second one I have for you as far as File Explorer shortcut key is concerned. Okay, when you press Alt plus D, it automatically takes you to search right here, which allows you to quickly search for whatever file folder or software you want to search from your File Explorer. So this is the third one. Let's take a look at the fourth one I have for you as far as File Explorer shortcut key is concerned in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. The fourth shortcut key I have for you as far as File Explorer shortcut is concerned is that, for instance, if you go ahead and select a particular icon or software on your PC, let's say, for instance, I select this particular VLC media player right here. So once you select and then you go to your keyboard shortcut and press Alt plus Enter. So you press Alt plus Enter, it automatically takes you to the property of that particular selection app. So I'm going to close here to close the tab. So I can go ahead and select CapCut now. I press Alt plus Enter. It's going to automatically take me to the property details of that particular software. So the very last one, as far as shortcut key in File Explorer is concerned, if you press Ctrl plus W, it automatically closes the entire File Explorer window in your Windows PC. It's that simple. These are great 5 shortcut key I have for you as far as File Explorer shortcut key is concerned. Let me know what you think about some of these shortcut key in the comment section of this video. And lastly but not the least, for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.